Well, I wonder if I can make it home before the rain comes in. But another dreary day, starting to spit rain on me, but so I hope I don't get too many drops on the camera lens. But I'm going to share a short little story with y'all about some of the progression from the Southern e-biking extras. All right, so stick around. Well, hello again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we've got some of the extras going out there, and I wanted to give y'all a little bit of a background on the Southern e-biking extras. You know, I thought about popping out videos that were not really completely e-bike related and didn't know what to do. We're not big enough to do a different channel or anything like that. And so I thought, well, we got to separate them somehow. I actually, kind of the idea sparked a little bit more when Russ was talking about doing some other videos. And I thought, you know, that'd be a good idea for me too. I told him, don't do it if you look at it as work. And I look at this as a fun thing to do. So yeah, it's probably pretty muddy back here. Let's take a little quick ride back here though. See what all they got going here. But so I went about saying, okay, what we're going to do is, yeah, it looks like they've cleared some more back through here. Yeah, they've cleared out a little bit more. I had trying real hard to sell this. There we go. Yeah, that rain is coming in. I better scoot back towards the house. But we, well, there I went down that rabbit hole again. But we decided to go ahead and do that. And so that we could do, you know, just some little reviews on some things that are not necessarily completely e-bike related that we're using. And some videos that are not completely e-bike related. But we wanted to separate them somehow from our regular channels so that, you know, you regular guys would know what to expect with them. So we said, well, we'll call them Southern e-biking extras. Hey, that sounded good to me. And so we went ahead and launched that out, did the first video, and I thought we need to have a little logo just so that you can see right on the thumbnail. This is a little bit different than our regular videos. This is not one of our regular scheduled videos. And you know, let's go ahead and pick that up a little bit. And so I said, well, you know, our original logo was this right here. And then we kind of thought, this logo over here, it works a little better. It shows a bike, not just a circle there. It could be a lot of different things when it's small. So we adopted that. And I thought, well, I'll go back and I'll use that other logo. And when I looked at it, I said, well, that Southern e-biking is printed on there so small, nobody's going to see it. And so what I'll do is I'll print Southern e-biking extras right across that. And I hear a car coming, but where? Maybe it's this one up here. Huh. There it is. Whew. I know them are usually 4 strokes, but that looked like a 2-smoker to me. But I looked at that and I said, oh man, we couldn't fit Southern e-biking extras across there. So I thought, well, we'll just initial it. The SE extras for Southern e-biking extras. That's a good one. It fits. Look, this one right here. That's the logo. And so the next video I did, I told everybody, welcome to the SE extras. And worst of all, I didn't even notice it. I was looking at the video as it got up, and Michelle says, Blaine, Yeah. Got something said wrong there? What? What did I say? Yeah, you really got to change something up. And she had to come out and she actually drew it back to where it was. Look at what you're saying here, Blaine. I know you want to get views, but is this really the way you want to get the views? I said, well, there's going to be a lot of people disappointed when they stick into the very end of the video, but we might get some more subscribers out of it. Who knows? So, but that's why we adopted this little logo up here. And you know, I should have brought my gloves with me today. I had them with me yesterday and I didn't bring them with me today. I thought it was a little warmer, but it's pretty cold out here too. But anyway, that's how we come up with the little logo that we had there. And that's why there was a video went up and then it went down almost immediately. It had the wrong intro to it. So I just thought that was pretty funny. You know, it makes me, some of you guys have probably seen that show Pawn Stars, and I seen an interview with a guy that I guess owns the store. He says, we've had millions of people watch us and they think by the end of this show, I don't think that's what that was going to be about. And maybe we was going to start the same thing there. Who knows? But anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up on that right there. Now there goes a little electric. How you doing today? Yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up on that right there. How y'all doing? And we're going to head back in and get warmed up. I think I'm going to go back here and meet the new neighbors real quick. So, hey, that's going to wrap it up for this one. This is Southern E-Biking, letting y'all know, till next time, stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels rolling. Once again, we're out.